Hi, I'm Manhattan Prep instructor Ryan Jacobs, and today I'm going to show you how to make a daiquiri cocktail using math. So a daiquiri is a 3 to 3 to 8 ratio of lime to simple syrup to rum. And what we're going to do is measure the lime first and use that as the base of our ratio. Here we go. All right, so here's our lime. I'm going to turn on the scale. And we're going to put the shaker on the scale, zero it out. And we're going to start squeezing our lime. Go. All right, that should do it. And I'm looking at the scale and it says 1 1/8 ounces. So I got to remember that. So that's the 3 part of my ratio. Now I'm going to zero it out, and the other 3 part of my ratio is the simple syrup. So I got that right here. And I'm just going to measure the exact same amount. So we're going to go until it says 1 1/8. Going to be careful here not to add too much. A little bit more. And there we go, 1 1/8 ounces. All right, so here's the part where I have to do some math. I have 1 1/8 ounces of lime juice, that's 9/8 ounces, and that's the 3 part of my ratio. But what I want to know is the 8 part of my ratio so I can measure the rum. So I take 9/8 ounces, I multiply it by 8/3. 8s are going to cancel, that gets me 9/3, and that means I need 3 ounces of rum. So let's go measure that out. Here's our rum. Pour it in. Watching the scale. Hey, 3 ounces, perfect. All right, so now we're going to add a few ice cubes in there. Give it a little shake. All right, that should do it. There's our drink, and we're going to pour it through this strainer into the glass. And that is a daiquiri cocktail. All right, so now we're going to taste. That is really good. All right, so one more thing. That 3 to 3 to 8 ratio, that's the basis for a lot of drinks, not just the daiquiri. So for example, my wife and I, we went to a restaurant up in San Francisco called Nopalito. And they have this drink, they call it the Killer Bee. And we tried it, we really liked it. So we came home, tried to make it. Turns out it's just a 3 to 3 to 8 ratio of lemon juice, simple syrup made with honey instead of sugar, and mezcal. And that's a Killer Bee, you shake it with ice. So that 3 to 3 to 8 citrus to simple syrup to alcohol is the basis for a lot of drinks, including the daiquiri. Don't forget to subscribe for more Math in the Kitchen, and check out the description below to learn more about Manhattan Prep.